It's a good day to transplant a fucking pepper plant. This one, to be exact. She's been sucking up water and plant juice at a rate I can't keep up with. Probably because she's about to have sex with herself. See the little flower buds? She's still relatively small, but also a bit of a beast. I could keep her in this small container and just deal with it, but she'll need water and food like every fucking hour. Ain't nobody got time for that. So she's gonna need a new, bigger home if I want to realize the nutritional potential she holds. I have a 5-gallon grow bag from AC Infinity, link in the description, some leftover potting mix, a tiny shovel, and a very, very bad attitude. Because I hate using soil indoors. It's messy and wasteful and requires manual watering. So whatever, I want peppers more than I hate dealing with all that shit I said right before this. I'm gonna dump the rest of this soil into the grow bag, then carve out a hole to accommodate her. This is about the point where some will recommend using a product to help the roots acclimate better, but they're full of shit. That advice is like recommending cocaine to lose weight. You don't need it, just raw dog it. The plant will do its job. It wants to live. It needs to live. The only risk I'm taking transplanting her this late in her development is slowing down her flowering stage. But I have no choice. I'm not a plant babysitter, and I don't want to become one. I'm a real boy with a real job and real responsibilities. Now, I'm gonna drag her out of her home, being as gentle as possible. She's tough, but the less damage I cause doing this, the faster she'll recover. Before I stuff her in the hole, I'm gonna gently massage the root ball to break it up. It's kind of like letting her know that she's free from the confines of her prison. Gently lower her down into her new home, adjust the soil, pack it down a bit, then look admiring upon her, recognizing my own fragility and the briefness of modern life, and how all of our existence hinges on plants' ability to thrive, and contemplate how humans are doing our best to fuck it all up. Then move her back to her environment where she can begin her recovery. Give her a little food and water. Then, in about a month, I should be eating her fruit. At least I better be, or her fate is at the bottom of a giant garbage bag. Actually, her fate is at the bottom of a giant garbage bag anyway. Nothing lives forever. Thanks for watching. Hey, quick sales pitch. If you're just getting started in hydroponics and you're unsure where to start, then I created a resource just for you. It's called the Hydroponics Playbook, and it's only $19. You can download it from the link in the description. It'll help you learn everything you need to know to grow your first harvest using hydroponics. Download it today. Go now!